Hello everyone. Today we will discuss the remaining concepts in the first unit. Okay, so here the business has divided into a main two category, that is called as the first one, that is industry and commerce. Again, the industry has divided into three category: primary industries, secondary industries, and tertiary industries. Okay, primary industry again divided into two category, that is extractive and genetic. Okay, that we have studied in the last class. Okay, in the secondary industry again it's divided into two category, that is manufacturing industry and the construction industries. Okay, so here manufacturing industries types we have already studied, that is analytical, synthetical, processing, assembling, already we have studied. So now comes to the construction industry. So what is meant by construction? Name itself indicates that construction. So construction industries are these industries are involved in the construction of the building, dams and the bridges, roads, as well as the tunnels and the canals. Engineering and architectural skills are important part in the construction industries. So here the construction industries are based on engineering and architecture. Okay, so with the help of architecture and with the help of engineering, the skills when they are having, then only they can make a construction of buildings. Okay, they can construct the dams, bridges, roads. So these are the infrastructure development we are going to come under the construction industries. Okay, so construction industries are the types of secondary industries. Okay, so construction industries are those industries are involved in the construction. It means building. What they are building? They are building the buildings, dams, bridges, road, as well as the tunnels and the canals. They are going to construct with the help of construction industries. So remember student, for 1 marks they will ask what is mean by construction industries. Then you want to be right, the construction industries are involved in the construction of the bridges, buildings and the tunnels. So and the canals will be constructed with the help of construction industry, and it involves the main technology or the skills like the engineering and the architecture will be involved in the time of construction industries. Okay, so let's move to the tertiary industries. Okay, so tertiary industries are those industries which are helpful for the transfer of the good from one place to another place. See here what happens in the help of primary industry and secondary industry. They have produced the goods, but that products we want to be reaches to the customer. So the already we know that tertiary industries are called as a service sectors. So why it's called as a service sectors? Because the whatever the service we required for the transfer of the goods from manufacturer to a customer, that time the tertiary industries are helpful. So tertiary industries are connect concern which provide the support services to the primary and the secondary industries, as well as activities relating to a trade. These industries provide the service facilities. So for that reason only a tertiary industries are called as the service industries. What the tertiary industries called? Tertiary industries are called as the service industries. They have provided the services which are required for the industries. See here, primary industry and secondary industries require the number of the services, that may be a transportation, financing, insurance, okay, warehousing, that all required for the or the we are required the postage, telegrams, telephones, that all required for the running of the primary and the secondary industries. So that the services will be that help will be provided through the help of tertiary industries. Remember here student, tertiary industries are those industry which are going to provide the support, which are going to provide the services to the primary and secondary industries. For that reason only it's called as the service industries. So service industries or the tertiary industries are those industries which are provided the services to the primary industries and secondary industries called as the tertiary industries. So again, tertiary industries are having some of examples that's called as, it include the categories are the transportation, banking, insurance, warehousing, communication, packaging, and the advertisement. So with the help of advertisement, we are going to promote, or we are going to reach to the customer which products we are going to sell. That should be the information should be provided through the help of advertisement. Next, packaging. Whatever the products we have produced, without a package we cannot sell to the customer, so that packaging service also provided with the help of tertiary industries. And the communication. So if you want to be communicate with the another person, that time we required the a postage telephone, that service is provided through the help of tertiary industries. And warehousing, the whatever the products we have produced, that we want to be keep safely. To keep that safely, we require the warehousing, that should be available through the help of tertiary industry. So to start a business, there is a requirement of a finance. Okay, that finance are called as the lifeblood of business. So without a without a blood we cannot live. Same as it is, without a finance we cannot live. For that reason, the finance and the banking will be provided to the money for the running of an industries. So that should be helpful with the help of tertiary industry. Transportation. If you want to be transfer the goods from one place to another place, so that should be required of the transportation. That may be we are having a transport like the air transport, water transport, railway transport, that should be available through the help of tertiary industries. So this is regarding to the tertiary industries. So let's move to the again the categories of the business activities. So the already have explained business activity main divided into a two category, that is the industries and commerce. So already we have learned what is mean by industries and what are the types of industries, so how they are working, what are the examples, already we have learned. So let's move to the next type, that is called as a commerce. Okay, so commerce is included the two types activities, that is called as a trade and auxiliaries to the trade. So commerce is divided into two category, that is a trade and auxiliaries to the a trade. So here what is meant by trade? A trade means a buying and selling of goods is termed as a trade. So what is meant by trade? So trade means buying and selling. What we are buying and selling? We are buying and selling of goods is called as a trade. So activities that are required for a facilitate the purchase and sales of the goods. So here, so if you are produce the good, then the work cannot be over. There is still number of work we want to be doing the business, that what the work we are doing, that products we want to be reached to the customer, we want to be give the particular information to the product, so that all include in the commerce. So commerce means it is the activity required the facilities that a purchase and sell of goods. So whenever you want to be purchase and sell, there is the requirement of the some facilities, that facilities are provided through the help of commerce. So these are called as the services or the auxiliaries to the trade, and including a transportation, banking, insurance, communication, advertising, packaging, warehousing. These are tertiary industries. Okay, so already we have studied in the last in the before the class. So what is mean by tertiary industries? They are provided the services. So here auxiliaries to the trade means they are called as the aids to the trade. So what is meant by aids to the trade? The industries which are providing the help for the development or the help for the transfer of goods, that's called as the services. Okay, that services will be provided through the help of auxiliaries to the trade. So here commerce therefore they including both the buying and selling. Commerce include the both the buying and selling of goods. A trade as well as auxiliaries such as a transportation, banking, etc. So these are including the commerce. So commerce cannot be having only a trade, it include the auxiliaries to the trade. It means they are providing the some services for the development of the trade. Okay, so commerce provide the necessary link between the a producer and a customer. Here what happens, producer is nothing but manufacturer. Manufacturer only produce the goods, but that if we want to be reaches to the customer or the consumer, that will be helpful with the help of commerce. So commerce is going to maintain the link between the whom it maintain the link between the producer and the consumer. So it is called as a commerce. So here in the time of business or in the time of trade, there is the requirement of some services or the facilities. That facilities are provided through the help of commerce. So here commerce is again divided into two category, that is the trade and the auxiliaries to the trade. Auxiliaries to the trade will be provided a necessary services or the facilitate to the facilities to the maintaining and transferring the goods, that's helpful with the help of commerce. Okay, so the remaining concept we will study in the next class. So that we will study what is meant by trade, what are the auxiliaries to the trade we are using, that should be studied in the next class. Thank you.